guys, it's H-O. What's up, beautiful YouTubers? Let's go to phone. Whoa. Well, so I'm just heading to work, so I'll talk to you guys when I am finished work. Guys, so right now, you guys, we are checking the infrareds and see if they're working. Guys, so right now, you guys, we just dropped the income tax off to you guys today, so that's kind of cool and exciting. I'm just heading back home, just relaxing. Yeah, so that's kind of exciting and neat. So that is what's going on, you guys. Where did you go, Grace? Where did you go? Where did you go? What are you doing? What are you doing? I see you! Hey guys, what a day, you guys. I just got home from dropping Rachel off at her parents' place, and look what happened. My window shattered. And then my trunk won't shut, which is frustrating. I just don't know what to do anymore. I don't know what to do, guys. It's just so frustrating because I don't have a bumper. And then my trunk won't shut properly, so I had to bungee cord it till on the way back home, which was annoying. And then halfway through, the window broke. And I just don't know. So about 30 minutes, I've been freezing my butt off, but that's okay. God would help with what to do. I'm just don't know. So that is what's going on, you guys. So I'll talk to you guys when you get inside. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up, and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Good night.